Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this donut pillow for my little girl's room. Okay, so you want to print out the picture that you're doing, and you just go to Google and type in donuts image or whatever, and you print it out, and then you're going to tampered embroidery the outline of it, and I wanted to add a nice kind of bite out of the donut. So I just drew a line where I wanted the bite. Then after that, you're going to choose the beads. You want like a tan color for the dough, of course, and then a pink color. I found these, I wanted a darker pink because I wanted the pillow to be kind of a light pink color. Very girly. And then, of course, colors for the sprinkles. And I chose blue and white and yellow and kind of a lighter green. With it being a circle, you want to kind of start in the center, the dough part, of course, and then gradually wind around and tampered embroidery until you get to the pink part. Then you'll switch the beads, of course, and I just kind of eyed it so that the sprinkles kind of lined it up with each other. The next time around I went over a circle. I kind of just mapped it out like, okay, I need 2 pink beads to get to the white part of the previous row, and then I need 3 pink beads and vice versa, or a yellow bead here and a blue bead here. It doesn't have to match up perfectly because sprinkles are all sorts of different sizes, right? So you just kind of wind around, and when you get to the bite part, that's when I reversed it, and instead of going clockwise, I just kind of get to the bite part and then go back around, get to the bite part, turn back around, and kind of wanted the same kind of flow. Like it's, you can obviously tell that the beads are going in a circle instead of randomly like the pizza tutorial that I did. Okay, so then once you're done with the pink and the sprinkles section, you'll want to string up some tan beads for the edge of the donut. Okay, so you'll take it off the loom and you'll cut all the extra fabric off. I did about 1/2 inch from the donut piece, and you'll cut also the inside of the donut, the leftover fabric. You're going to tuck this under when you sew it onto your pillow. Of course, I made my pillow. You could go out and get a pillow and just sew the donut on, or you could sew a pillow. It's pretty easy. So I first hand stitched the outside of the donut first down onto the pillow, and then I stuffed it with some batting and then finished stitching the inside of the donut. Okay, then you can add some extra bling bling to the pillow and you're finished. And that is the donut pillow. So my boys saw this donut pillow, and now I need to make a hot dog pillow and a hamburger pillow. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.